In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tradovate to TradingView. We'll walk through this together step by step, so you can place trades directly from your TradingView charts using your Tradovate account. Before we start, make sure you're already logged in to your TradingView account and that you have an active Tradovate account ready to connect. Begin on any TradingView chart. Look toward the top right area of the chart where your trading panel is located. You should see a section related to trading, often labeled with options to place orders or manage positions. In that area, there will be a small arrow icon on or near the trading section. Go ahead and click that arrow to expand the trading connection options. Once this panel expands, you'll see any brokers you may already have connected, along with some connection controls. What you're looking for here is the option that says Connect Another Broker. Click on Connect Another Broker to bring up the full list of available brokers and trading services that can be linked to TradingView. A new window or panel will open, showing all compatible brokers. Scroll through the list until you find Tradovate. The list may be organized alphabetically, so take your time to scan for the Tradovate logo and name. When you see Tradovate, click on it to start the connection process between TradingView and your Tradovate account. After you click Tradovate, TradingView will display on-screen prompts to guide you through the rest of the setup. This usually includes a login screen or a secure redirect to the Tradovate sign-in page. Enter your Tradovate credentials carefully, and if requested, approve any permissions that allow TradingView to access your trading account. These permissions are necessary so that TradingView can route your orders through Tradovate and show your account information on the chart. Follow each instruction on the screen until you see confirmation that the connection is complete. This might appear as a message saying you're connected, or you'll notice that Tradovate now shows as the active broker in your TradingView trading panel. Once everything is connected, it's a good idea to double check that your account details and the selected trading account in Tradovate are correct. Place a small test order, if appropriate, just to confirm that everything is working smoothly. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully connected Tradovate to TradingView, and you're ready to trade directly from your charts.